In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create contact groups in Microsoft Outlook. If you send the same email to the same set of people over and over, a contact group, sometimes called a distribution list, will save you time and reduce mistakes. I'll walk you through creating one from start to finish, and I'll share tips to keep things organized and easy to use. First, open Outlook on your computer. You can start in Mail or Calendar. It doesn't matter. What we want is the People area where your contacts live. Look for the People icon. It may appear as a small silhouette or say People depending on your version, and click it to switch to your contacts. On the Home tab in the People view, choose New Contact Group. This opens a blank group window. Give your group a clear, memorable name in the name box. A descriptive name helps you find it quickly later and ensures the right group appears when you start typing in an address field. For example, using a team or project name and even adding a purpose or date can be helpful. Next, click Add Members. You'll see 3 ways to add people. If you choose from Outlook Contacts, you'll be selecting from your personal contact list the people you've already saved. Use the search box to find a contact, then double-click or select and click Members to add them to the group. This is great for external partners or anyone you've stored in your contacts. If you choose from Address Book, you'll be looking at your organization's directory. This is ideal for coworkers and internal teams because names and addresses come from your company's system. Search by name, department, or role, and add the ones you need. This keeps everything consistent with your organization's records. If you prefer, you can type email addresses manually. This is handy when someone isn't in your contacts or the directory. Enter the full email address carefully to avoid typos, then press Enter to add it. Repeat for each person you want in the group. When you're done, click Save and Close. That's it. Your group is created. To use it, start a new email, go to the